Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel and back to my weekly vlog. This week I've had quite a relaxed week creatively. I've had more of a personal week, but I will share with you what I've done. My creativity has been in the realm, I guess, of the green natured variety this week. I have been potting up a lot of plants. And I went shopping for the first time since the start of the pandemic, so about 20 months. I don't miss it. I won't be doing it again. But I needed some pots and I had some gift cards that needed to be used. So it seemed to make sense to go actually into shops rather than buy things online. And I got a few pots. I also just makeshifted some that I already had and made some hanging propagation jars. You can just watch this little bit if you want to learn how to make them. They're really easy, and once you've done it a couple of times you'll get the hang of it. And you can use them for anything really. You don't need to use them for propagating, which is what I'll use them for. I use so many jars to grow new plants all the time. But you can use them for pens, for paintbrushes. You can put them up in your studio. That'd be quite cool if you've got space to hang a few. That'll look really decorative. What I sometimes like to do though is to put a piece of tape on the bottom where the X is, just to keep the X in place, because otherwise I find it can be a little bit precarious, especially as you're going to hang them up. So that's just my own extra safety thing going on, but that's up to you. You don't need to. You can just use twine in an upcycled jar. And just as you've seen over the past couple of vlogs, I can't throw jars away. I have to upcycle them, and especially some food containers are either really nice shapes like pasta sauces or like marmalades. They've got like really cool old style vintagey labels. I just can't throw them away. I need to upcycle them. So for me, they get put into propagation stations along with any other jars I found in like vintagey or antique shops. I also made some baby plants for the babies in my family with these cute owl pots that I found online, because it was the first time I also saw them from the start of the pandemic and not one of them had forgotten me. So that was really, it was wonderful to see them and just play and just have a lovely day out with them.
I've got a bunch of leaves.
We've got a lot of leaves. Then you ready? 1, 2, 3.
Hello!
Yeah, that is a wizard staff. This is a good sized den.
Go, go!
Oh, thank you.
I'm a random.
You've got to get them back on now. And and they really love the little owls, and I've got a few leftovers, so they'll join the menagerie over at my city studio, which if you ever want to steal my trick for like having your supplies on your desk but in like cute animal containers, just go shopping for succulent pots and you'll find a whole bunch of stuff that you can use to brighten up your art space. And as I said, on balance this week has kind of been more personal than creative. I got discharged from hospital this week, which was amazing news for those of you that have been following my journey. I got diagnosed with a few things wrong with my eyes and my brain 4 years ago now, so it's been quite a while coming. So yeah, very happy about that. Don't know what else to say about it other than yay. So yeah, that's been my week this week, a very green fingered week. I am missing painting a bit though, so you'll probably see some of that in next week's vlog. I will see you all next week, and I hope you have a fabulous time until then. Much love everyone, bye.